Welcome to RK Tutorials, Solutions to Engineering Mechanics by S. Timoshenko. In this tutorial, we will discuss problem set 2.4 and problem number 2.55. A hinged square ABCD with diagonal BD is submitted to the action of two equal and opposite forces applied as shown. That means one force acts along like this P and another force acts along the diagonal, that is P at D. Determine the forces produced in all the bars. Since it is a square, this angle is equal to 45. That means this angle is also equals to 45 and this angle is also equals to 45. Let us consider the various forces acting at all the hinges. Let us start with C. The C is connected with the two forces. One is 2 and another one is 1. So the force is S2 acts along the CB and it is away from point C. The force is S1 acts along CD and it is away from the point C. So if you draw this S1 and S2 on a separate XY plane, and if you consider sigma Fx is equal to 0, then I can find there is only one force acting along x-axis. So that is S1 is equal to 0 and S2 is also equals to 0 by considering sigma Fy is equal to 0. Next, let us consider point A. There are two, once again, S4 and S5, and both the forces are one force acts along x-axis, another force acts along y-axis. So if you consider sigma Fx is equal to 0, you can find S4 is equal to 0, and you can find S5 is also equal to 0 by considering sigma Fy is equal to 0, because there is only one force and it must be equal to 0. That means S5 is equal to 0. Next, let us consider the point B. The various forces are S2 acts in the downward direction. You already know that S2 is equals to 0 from this free body diagram. And another force is S4. This is also equals to 0, that you know from this point. And it is subjected to two more forces. One force P acts like this, another force acts like this. Equilibrium condition, these two forces must be equal and opposite. Hence you can find S3 is equal to P. There are only two forces. There is no, this force is 0. It is not the force. It is also 0. But B is subjected to only two forces and both the forces are opposite. To maintain the equilibrium, S3 is equal to P. Hence, S1 is equal to 0, S2 is equal to 0, S3 is equal to P, S4 is equal to 0, S5 is equal to 0 are the answers for this problem.